What's up, boxing fans? It's your boy Willie Almangos Monroe Jr. Thanks a lot for chilling with Boxing Sphere.
So yeah, if you guys don't know yet, I just want to let you guys know, and as you guys can tell by the title, Nonito Donaire, or Donaire, however you want to pronounce his last name, versus Cesar Juarez. It's official. This fight's taking place on December 11 over in Puerto Rico. The fight will be shown on True TV, so tune in to True TV if you want to see this fight. Yes, Nonito Donaire has improved to True TV because his last couple fights weren't even televised over here in the States. So this is more of an improvement compared to his last two fights, but definitely a downgrade compared to his fight against Nicholas Walters, because Walters' fight was on HBO. But anyway, it is what it is. I mean, Cesar Juarez isn't really a well-known fighter. I've already mentioned stuff about him. Honestly, I don't really know much about him either, but he's a 24-year-old fighter from Mexico with a record of 17-3, 13 wins come by way of knockout TKO. Looking at his resume, not the best resume out there, but he's coming off a decent win against Juan Carlos Sanchez Jr. and as well as Cesar Seda. But other than that, he hasn't really fought anyone worth talking about, except for he fought Jorge Lara, though. I'll give him that. He fought Jorge Lara, who's a decent fighter, but he lost to Jorge Lara. So yeah, man, Nonito Donaire versus Juarez. Let me know what you guys think about this fight. Do you love it, hate it? I mean, obviously we'd rather see Nonito Donaire fight the bigger names out there, but this is the fight that we have to deal with. So yeah, just let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for listening. Like always, have a great day. Alright, thanks.
Sa balay, lagis ng bahay, wala buhat o sagtagan. Nag-iiga, sinasangatan, wapalit yung isa kong nanay. Kanya naabot si Juan, nagdalaog, pakwan na alert ang nanay. Kaya pakwan sa makatami, sa dalagang ipasok sa dalan. Ay pas nila ni mo Jonathan ang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pas nila ni mo Jonathan ang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Pakwa umuuwan sa mutalaki ang pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan. Makitan yuniliso sa buwang ang pakwan, buwang ang pakwan. Umuuwan sa mutalaki ang pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan. Makitan yuniliso sa buwang ang pakwan, buwang ang pakwan. Yan ang istorya, bigay ako yaw o hinanggaw. Ibig ka man, yun nga mo mga kalimutaw. Apan sa Jonathan naman ang wakil na minaw. Kay gusto niya isang yaw ang iyang hinanggaw. Ay pastilan ni mo Jonathan ang umangka sa pakwan. Nalaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pastilan ni mo Jonathan ang umangka sa pakwan. Nalaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Pakwan umuuwan sa mutalami ang pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan. Pakitan yuniliso sa buwang ang pakwan, buwang ang pakwan. Umuuwan sa mutalami ang pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan. Pakitan yuniliso sa buwang ang pakwan, buwang ang pakwan. pakwan samot na kong mataliksikan Makita yun liso sa puwang pakwan Puwang pakwan Umuuwan samot ka